Good morning, everybody. It is currently 8 a.m. I'm going to be doing my morning routine. So first things first is I always feed my cats, which is already done. And now I have to put something warm on because it is currently negative 15 degrees out and that's freezing. So I need to get something warm on. Something warmer on. Now I'm going to head upstairs and start the long process. My chickens don't have like heated waters. I have to manually every morning dump out the water or dump out the ice and fill it with warm water. So I'm gonna do that. Time to open up the chicken coop. Good morning, everybody! Crooked Toes is behind there. It must have fell last night. The boys and the chickens. Step in my routine is filling up my ducks' water. If I open up the chickens first, they all like to run into the ducks' pen, and that is just annoying to get them all out. Then I take Crooked Toes' water out. To let the chickens out. Today is a full day. I have to fill everybody's feed and do all their waters. But first I have to pick up this roosting bar. It must have fell off sometime when they were getting down. Yes. Now I'm going to carry up their waters because I do all the waters first and then I do all the feeders. In order to defreeze it, I have to cook it and get all the water out. Then I pour the boiling water in, which defrosts the ice that makes the nipples not work. And that's how I do it. This is quite thick, as you can see, so hopefully it's able to melt it. Back inside to get the kettle, but while I do that, I bring back in the watering can and Crooked Toes' water so I can put this in the microwave and fill back up the watering can again. The reason why I have to put this in the microwave is because this whole thing is ice and I can't open it to like break out the ice, so I have to put it in the microwave, which will dethaw the ice, and then from there I can either choose to refill the water up with different water or just put it back in the coop. Don't you just love the sound of the roosters crowing in the morning? Some people don't, but I do. Alrighty, I got the kettle here. You can see it's steaming. I might have to actually do this 2 times depending on if it can dethaw the ice, but we'll see. If you're wondering, yes, my hands are freezing, but I don't have proper gloves. I just have mittens, which doesn't really work when you're doing farm chores, so I'll be okay. Wow. Gorgeous this morning. What a view. Okay, I already brought Cricket's water out because that was hard to carry. Only with like one hand not spilling. Anyways, everybody has water. Now we're gonna fill up feeds. Off with the ducks because it's the easiest because I keep a bucket of feed in the coop. I'll show you guys. I have this bucket right here. I should keep the duck feed. Here's the feeder. Hold on. Makes it super easy. Holes, and been doing that because they want to get into their feed. I'm gonna grab Cricketoses. Gonna grab theirs. We're gonna do these one at a time, starting off with the big chickens. Let's go. Their feed is in the garage in the house, so yeah. Nice and warm in here. Oh. Alrighty, here's your feed, folks. There we go. Kitty patooties. Whole flock's here. Now we're gonna go fill Cricketoses up. Alrighty, all complete. If you're wondering what feed I feed them, it is a 19% organic grower feed because I have a mixed flock with roosters and everybody, so I couldn't have a layer feed. And they also have higher protein in the wintertime. And I also mix a bunch of herbs into that. Crushed chili flakes, oregano leaves, garlic powder. I put some thyme in there. Yeah, there we go. I know it's a mess and holes for moles. It's a whole situation. I have this check every morning to make sure that everybody has everything that they need. So I do food, water, food, water, food, water. And that tells myself, oh, yep, I did their food, water, their food, water, their food, water. I know it's stupid, but it helps me not be forgetful and then be like, oh, did I do their water? Did I do their food? But yeah. Anyways, everybody has food, everybody has water. Now I have some scraps to bring them. Yeah. Just bring this back inside for ready for tomorrow. Alrighty, we have some romaine lettuce, some tomatoes. Yep, and remember, treats only make up 10% of the diet. Pretty much my whole routine with my ducks and my chickens. Now I'll just go inside, maybe eat some breakfast. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So we all want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Next video will be next Wednesday. Yeah.